Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Joy. I'm here to do another unboxing. And today is for a LapTop cooling pad. As you can see, they spelled it that way. But it's really a laptop cooling pad. And they spelled it right down there. But it's all good. So shout outs to Phantom's Stream. I met him not too long ago on Hello World. And I was telling him in the chat how my computer was seeming to get really hot. So I want to open this, guys. We're gonna do this together. I've never heard of I never heard of a laptop cooling pad before, but I guess you would have to be like a gamer to understand that. Oops, and I'm breaking the box. Hopefully I don't have to return it. Let's see. I know there's got to be an easier way to open this. Dang, I just broke it. I can't wait to use this to test it out and see how it works. So, here it is. It's nice and lightweight, guys. Let me just read the specs to you. Let's look at it real quick. It's good for 17-inch compatible. Fans and light can just freely cool. And ooh, LED, cool. 6 fans, cool. Specs, boom. And then, ooh, I like how it's wrapped in this nice bubble wrap. So let's open it. Let's get it out the pack. Ooh, guys, look at that. This is backwards. Let's turn it around. This is cute. And this is the Langstar. Okay, this is pretty cool. Let's see, how do you start this? Oh, it looks like you... Oh, look at that, guys. You know I'm not one for reading directions, so I'm just gonna take that off. Put that over there. Cute. Oh, so it's a USB port. Cute. And then look, guys, it has the prongs. Ooh, and it's rubber. I like that. It's rubber. Very nice. So, ooh, and there's something right here. What is that for? I wonder. Oh, so your computer. Let's test it out. Let's test it out. Oh, and then good, look. There are the different speeds right here. And if you are a person who likes to read, there you go. There you go. It's a gaming laptop. It's a cooling pad. So let's just go ahead and try to set it up. Let's try to set this up. Okay, so I just put my computer on top there. And what we're going to do is take this off. Nice length. We're going to put this on. Very nice. And then I'm just going to feel my way over there. Hold on, let me just connect this. So we're going to connect this to the other USB port, which is right here. Ooh, do you hear it? Do you hear that? This is so cool. Sorry, my picture's falling. Look at that. Isn't that cute? That is so cool. Thank you. Thank you so much, Phantom Streams, for that. Oh my goodness. It is beautiful. And it's so, oh, I feel air coming from all over, and it's quiet. I like how you don't really hear it. All right. We're going to do some close-ups. Or, so this is the shorter version, or you can make it adjusted to like a higher height by just adding that one, and then it rotates a little bit more. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. You may want it short, oops, or you may want it longer. And then, oh snap. Look at that. That's pretty dope.